Hello, how is everybody? Welcome back. I just wanted to share with you a little bit of a life hack that I use when I'm boiling eggs to make the shells come off. So right here I've got two pots of water boiling, and got my handy little egg spoon. So in this one I'm just going to add the egg gently because I tend to put them in and then crack them. That one in, and then we got one more. And, oh Lord. And do not crack it. Hopefully that did not crack. Okay. So this one I'm just going to leave plain. This one I have just some regular old ShopRite baking soda. It doesn't even matter to me. Certain things like baking soda. I'm just going to, they say a tablespoon, but I just sprinkle a little bit in there. Yeah, there you go. That's good. It'll fizz up. Alright, so then they will cook for 2 minutes. This one I'm just going to kind of swirl around a little bit, just because I think some of the water evaporated. So, 10 minutes, and we'll see how, and then I will show you how they look. Okay, that got boring. That was 3 minutes of it, so I figured I will show you the dilemma that I have for today. So, it snowed last night. Don't mind my floor with my charity bags and everything. So, last night it snowed. And I was going out every hour, and I was trying to move the door. And unfortunately, the way my door is, it's all the snow, we are literally snowed in. Like, none of us can fit through that. I mean, technically, I can shove one of my kids through the window, which I really don't want to do. But yeah, so that's our little dilemma that we have today, is that there was no real lip to the door, and it cannot be opened. So I either have to wait for it to melt a little bit, send the child out the door, out a window, to shovel in front of the door, because right over there are my shovels, or just wait until somebody wants to come over and say, hey, you want to come over? You got to shovel my porch first. Yeah. So, figured that seemed fun and adventurous thing to show you. Every time it snows, we basically get snowed in. Lock the door because, you know, don't want anyone breaking in. And over here I have my bags of stuff that are going to charity at my mom's. And a little fact that I did, the reason why these have been here, actually I have to bring them over there, before Christmas, all their Christmas presents I hid amongst the charity bags that were in my living room, right in their plain sight. I think I might have even asked them to move one of them at one point. So let's see how much time we have left on our eggs. I'm losing water. I don't know how well this one's going to boil. So let me turn the heat down a little bit on that one. Okay, so 5 more minutes. Let me give this one a stir. Now, some people I've heard use their Instapot for doing eggs, and the only problem I have with that is the one I found a holder that holds the eggs, but that holder it was for 12 eggs, and we don't eat. Like, if I made 12 boiled eggs, maybe my son would eat them, but most likely they'd probably go to waste. Like, I want one that has like a 6 thing, or I know some people say they just put them in without putting them in a holder. I don't know. Any advice on that? I would love to have it on how to do this. This is our one with the baking soda. You can see it's a little more fizzling. This is fun, just watching water boil. Yay, water. Woohoo! Oh, I'm not a real huge fan of hard-boiled eggs, but that's why I eat them. This, my son's not here. I'm just making this for my girls. But I'll show you what I like to add onto them once they are boiled. It makes it really good. I buy this, I think Trader Joe's sells it too. I got this at ShopRite. Hold on, let me fix this. Sorry about that. Couldn't focus. This is a ShopRite brand. It's Everything Bagel Seasoning. So it gives the hard-boiled, I don't know, it gives it a little bit of, I guess a little extra flavor. Yeah, it's like, not much, 5 calories. I don't even put a quarter teaspoon on, so if I don't put a quarter teaspoon on, I just do a shake, so it's probably like 2 calories. So it's got all like the stuff that would be on an Everything Bagel. Freaking stupid phone, focus. Take it away, put it back. Okay, well, it's not focusing on it, but I'll just tell you. Sesame seeds, salt, dehydrated garlic, dehydrated onions, black sesame seeds, poppy seeds. So, there you go. All in the bag. Bagel seasoning. Little treat for them. Where are we on time? Ooh, 2 more minutes. Yay! Give them a little. I haven't made their official breakfast yet because they are still sleeping. So, and it is a snow day for them, so I am just going to let them sleep. And I'm still worried about this one egg because this water is, for some reason in this pot, it's evaporating extremely fast. Put that over there. But for their actual breakfast, they're getting snowman pancakes and snowman donut things. But this is just for, I'll let them have like a pre-breakfast snack for them. Set this up because I got 1 more minute. So, my counter that is trying to keep it clean. What in the world is like making? Is it? Oh my god, that little teeny tiny speck. It's like, you can see it. It's like a little teeny tiny speck right there. That was what was making it look like it was like this like huge mess on my counter. Eek. I got my tiny dandy bowl, plate, whatever you want to call it. My thing. So let me get ready. Set this up. Okay, so they are done. I'm going to turn them off. And I'm just going to put some cold water on them. Bear with me. Okay. So I just put a little bit more cold water on this. And I'm going to grab a bowl to collect all these shells. All over my counter. Okay. I got my bowl, as you can see. Here. Okay, so I kind of go around, tap my egg. Now this is the one that was not with baking soda. This is also the one that the water kept going weird on. So you just kind of sort of crumbly all over you, your fingers. Okay, so that is the first one. There. Okay, now the one that went with the baking soda. And as I say every time, please subscribe to my page, like my videos. You know, when I post this on Facebook, share it with your friends and family. I'm not expecting to make, you know, $1 million. I'm not like that kid that shows off toys all the time. But hey, if I could make a couple extra bucks, courtesy of you guys just sharing my things and subscribing, I will thank you kindly for it. Okay, this is the one that I did with the baking soda. So, just kind of give it a couple little cracks. Okay, this one just kind of is a lot easier. That's it. Pretty much, I mean, I pulled a little bit towards the bottom, but pretty much all done. And then just rinse it in case there's some extra shells. And now, let's see how that one did that I was kind of nervous about. Shell on my counter. Okay. So we just place it in the middle. Okay, that one did pretty good. Slide those over there. This is the one I was worried about. Oh, okay. A little gummy in the middle, but they'll survive. I just take a little bit of my, where is it? Bagel seasoning. Shake a little on there, shake a little on there. Shake a little on there. Shake a little on there. Boom. There's like a quick snack. My kids are having it as a pre-breakfast. And, you know, I definitely recommend that bagel seasoning. I definitely recommend adding a little bit of the baking soda to your water. As you can see, the peel, I probably could have gotten more of it off, but basically came off in one swoop. And I hope you all have a wonderful day and a blessed day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.